Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maurice Tech. So if you're in Uganda and you came across this tutorial, just know that you are very blessed to have these internet settings as on your device. So this is how you're going to set up our internet settings. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Consider liking the tutorial, and if you get any problem, the comment section is open. Let us start up our tutorial by opening our phone settings, and this is how I'm going to set up my APN settings. And you remember very well at the start of this year, I provided a tutorial that was directing my viewers on how to handle the settings. In the last tutorial, I was using the IMS. Now I have brought you these new settings that will be working on your Airtel Uganda to provide you with a fast, a secure and a stable internet. So you're going to open settings, then connections, and then after mobile networks, and then go just where you see access point names. Don't forget to like the tutorial and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So you're going to press the plus button and then the APN name. Follow each and every step. Just use Airtel Internet. Just know that your internet is going to be 7 times more fast than the actual internet you are using right now. So that is the Airtel Internet APN name, and then the APN itself will be internet. Most of the devices had or have been using such kinds of APN, Airtel and then APN Internet, but Airtel maybe is hiding something from you, and this is it. Airtel does not allow you to set up the proxy because your internet may be fast compared to the internet they want you to use. So the proxy just put 0.0.0.0, then check OK. Then the port, you're going to use 8080, and then the username, you're going to use Airtel, and then the password, the same Airtel in small letters. Now the server, we are going to use http www.airtel.co.ug. Then check OK, and then the MMSC, we are going to use http://10.12.0.20, then colon, put 8080, and then slash WAS, then check OK. The MMS proxy, you're going to use 10.12.0, then 20. Make sure you follow each and every step if you want to access the fastest internet on Airtel Uganda. Don't forget to subscribe and share. The MMS port, it is 8080, and then let us go the MCC, it is 641. Now the MNC, it is simply 01. Authentication type, it is PAP. APN type, we're going to use default, put default, a comma, SUPL, a comma, then MMS, then check OK. Now the APN protocol, kindly put IPv4, and the APN roaming protocol also IPv4. IPv4, IPv4. And then we are going to go the bearer, we're going to disable unspecified, and then we enable LTE light. Now we have the mobile VPN network operator type. We are going to use none. And then the value, if you're able to set it, do not set it. The mobile virtual private network operator value, don't set it. And then after applying those settings, you are going to, after applying, you're going to put flight mode on and then off, or some people call it airplane mode on and off. And then after, you'll be able to access the fastest internet on your Airtel Uganda. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maris Tech and I sign out.